To avoid doing all the data entry on the bills of materials and work orders for a job, you can just duplicate a previous job by clicking the Duplicate Job button. The text on the Duplicate Job button will change based on the status of the job, and if the status is new for a job, the text will be red, which will warn you that if you're going to be duplicating a new job, which may not be a good idea, you'd probably want to duplicate a completed job that the status is done, because you know all the data entry has been done on that job, and it'll carry over onto your duplicated job. So right now we'll navigate to a job that the status is done, and I'll just click the navigation arrow, and the first job in the database is for oatmeal in bulk form as a work in process inventory item. You can either duplicate a job to just create another job, or you can duplicate a job to create a master job. And then you can have master jobs in the work in process module that are just there to work as templates to be duplicated to create future jobs. And then you can quickly find your master jobs by running a quick report and choosing the master from the pull down, or you can filter the records in the list view by clicking master on the green filter button at the top of the list view. But you can always just duplicate past jobs to create a new job. The main advantage of creating master jobs is that from the inventory module, when a unit cost changes for an inventory item, for a raw materials item, you can update all the master jobs from the inventory module with the new cost. But this will not update past jobs, because you would not want to change the costs on those jobs. So right now I'll click the Duplicate Job button, and it prompts you to enter a location ID for the job, where the job will be manufactured, and I'm going to enter 1001. And then after duplicating the job, it sets the status to new, and you get a message after duplicating the job saying if the job is going to be put into process right now, you should set the status to in process, but you'd probably want to do some basic data entry like changing the start date and the run date, maybe changing the title, because after duplicating a job it adds the text duplicate and then it enters the current date. And then you can set the run quantity for the job. And I should mention, if there is lots created for this job, it does not duplicate those lots, because you'd want to create brand new lots every time a job is completed. But as you can see, it duplicated the bill of materials for the job. And for this job, before we duplicated this bill of materials, it had lots chosen on manufactured items, and as you can see, it removed those lots, because that's all job-specific information, and that's what you'd want to remove from a duplicated BOM. And after duplicating a job, it does remove most all of the job-specific information for you. And then after duplicating a job, it also duplicates all of the work orders. So as you can see, by duplicating a job, you save a whole lot of time in data entry. then entering a brand new job and re-entering all your data for bills of materials and work orders.